I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. And this one, yes, I'm going with this color. Go to insert and take an oval shape and drag an oval shape by holding Shift Alt. And let me fix it at the center of the slide. Align center and align middle. I'm going to give it some gradient. I need only 2 stops, so I'm going to delete the extra stop. I'm going to give it some gray color, and the next stop will be white. Okay, from up to down, I'm going to give the line also gradient. Remember that the line gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient, and this stop will be okay, light gray and white, and so it is also inverse to the fill. Okay, I am going to give it some shadow effect. Go to shadow effect, and I am going with this shadow and increase the transparency to around about 80. Okay, size will be 103 and blur will be 11. This is okay. Go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag around the rectangle, make it more rounded and make it thinner, and place it here. Shape outline, make it no outline. Let me align it first. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, and I am going through the eyedropper, give this color. Control D to duplicate it and place it here from the first one at a distance. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Let me align it with the oval shape. So I'm going to select all these and go to align and distribute vertically. Okay, select this one and give the next one color, and also this one. Through the eyedropper I'm going to give it the third one color. Through the eyedropper I am going to give the fourth one color. Now select all these and Control D to duplicate it and place it on the other side of the oval shape, of the other side of the oval shape. Now I'm going to change its position. Let me change its position with each other. So at the end we will get 8 shapes. So yes, and you can increase or decrease your these shapes according to your requirements. Send to back. Take an oval shape and drag an oval shape, small oval shape, by holding Shift Alt. Shape fill, white fill, shape outline, make it no outline and place it here at the end of this rounded rectangle. Control D to duplicate it, and likewise Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it and place it here over the fourth rounded shape. Select all these oval shape, 4 shape. Control D to duplicate it and put it on the other end of the rounded rectangle. Let me align it. Go to insert and take a rectangle, rounded rectangle, and drag a rounded rectangle, make it more rounded. And I'm going to place it here, and through this anchor point mode, make it more rounded. Shape, let me, oh sorry, let me select this, and I'm going to, okay, select this one, Control D to duplicate it, and place it here. Okay, select this one, Control D to duplicate it, let me align it, Control D to duplicate it, and this is the fourth one shape for the fourth step of your infographic. Let me select all these four shapes, take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle by holding Shift Alt, and place it here at the end of at the start of this rounded rectangle here, and give the same color as the shape color, same fill as the shape fill, and sorry, shape outline, make it no outline, and give it some shadow effect. Let me take another rounded rectangle smaller than the previous one and put it here at the center of the previous one. Okay, and give it a darker shape outline and shape fill white. Let me take align segment and drag align segment. I'm going to put this line segment from this small oval shape to the, okay, let me zoom it, and I'm going to fix it. Give it a dark gray color, and I'm going to increase its width to 1. Take another oval shape, small oval shape, and drag a small oval shape by holding Shift Alt, and give it some dark gray color, and put it here at the start of this line segment, and bring to front. And now I'm going to take a duplicate of this one, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Again, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Again, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me zoom it to select all these two shapes and line segment, all these one shape and line segment. And now select again the line segment and drag the line segment to this second one. Control D to duplicate it. And again select the line segment second time, and now drag it. Let me select and Control D to duplicate it. Let me select all these shapes and drag to the other end of the slide. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it and drag it to the other end of the slide. I'm going to say delete these these color palettes. So I'm going to change their places. Okay, I'm going to fix it from every sides. Let me select, select these two old shape and drag it and put it here at the start of the rounded rectangle. Let me give it a length from the center to this rounded rectangle, this old shape. Yes, and I'm going to align it. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to select the extra all shapes and let me bring these, change the color of these all shape according to its rounded rectangle shape types. And this one color, and this is the fourth one, and the eighth one color I'm going to give through the eyedropper. Let me select the under all shape. Let me select yes and deselect this, the top one all shape, and I'm going to give the color according to their step. Let me select these all white all shapes and bring to front. I'm going to bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V, and I'm going to place it here, this text. Control D to duplicate it and place it here over the second one. Likewise, Control D to duplicate it and place it here over the third one, and again Control D to duplicate it and over the fourth one. Control D to duplicate it over the fifth one. Likewise over the sixth one, seventh, and this is will go over the eighth one shape. Yes, I'm going to bring some icon. From this icon tab you can find your desired icon. Here in this icon tab, just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icons. Let me select, I need only 8 icons, so this is number 7 briefcase, and okay, and bring it to the slide. Go to insert and make it little bit smaller by holding shift alt. Let me make it little bit bigger then, and place it here one by one. Idea, and this is go to some written affidavit like, okay, briefcase will go here, and growth icon goes here, and this is meetings. Okay, delete the extra one, and thank you for watching.